In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about BABA. Now, one of the last setups that we had was actually a counter trend buy decision. I considered it counter trend because we were underneath the 50 as far as the simple moving average, and also the 5 and 13 were in a sell mode as we were testing the support down at the 187.58 to 190.06 area. But it ended up, hitting that support, holding the support, triggering against it. Your risk was defined underneath here, and we didn't quite make the upside target. So yes, we've seen a rally off of it, but now with the pullback that we have, do we have another potential opportunity? And I'm going to say yes, because at this point, price is now clearly above the 200, above the 50, and the 5 and 13 are in a buy mode, and you're having a symmetrical pullback. So there are two zones that I'm going to watch and anticipate that possible low could be put in place. The first area, we're testing it already. It's anywhere from the 207.14 to 209.41 area. And then the other area underneath it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like 6 price relationships between, let's label this as 201.61 to 204.46. So those are the two areas that I'm looking at as far as possible resumption of the rally. So typically for a swing trade entry, you want to see either a 15-minute chart or a 30-minute chart trigger against the support. And we haven't quite seen that just yet. Yeah, if you look at the 15-minute chart, it has not crossed back over to the upside. Now, it would have triggered for a day trade decision, okay, after holding this support and then having the crossover and also taking out a prior swing high on the 1-minute chart, but it did not trigger to keep it overnight just yet. So just keep that in mind, that these are the two standout areas, and I'm wrong if we break underneath both of those zones. Okay, so that is something to look at, but be patient for your triggers.